Very good morning to all of you, my dear children. In today's session, let us revise on the topic that is worksheet 3 punctuation. Okay, so we already know how many letters are there in English alphabet. Come on, tell me. Yes, how many letters are there? Yes, there are 26 letters in English alphabet.
26 letters
Alphabet. When the letters are joined together, what do we get? Words. Very good. When the words are joined in the proper order, what do we get? Yes, we do get sentence. So let's move on to today's topic. Okay, let's revise on punctuation. Okay, I hope it's clear. Now, all of you, please do get ready with your English grammar workbook. Keep it open. Okay, my dear children. So we are in worksheet 3, punctuation. Yes. Now, we are pretty familiar with the letters in English alphabet, and we know that each letter do have a name and a sound. Okay, we know the letters, that is A, B, C, D. All the letters in English alphabet do have a name and a sound. That is all about the letters in English alphabet. Now, when the letters are joined together, we do get words. So cat is a word. Apple. Mango. Frog. Page number 7. Okay. So when the letters are joined together in the proper order, we do get words. Clear to all of you? Yes. When the words are joined in the proper order, what do we get? We do get sentence. Is that clear? So sentence tells us about more about something. Here is a picture of a horse. Sorry, here is a picture of a horse. So it tells a sentence, tells us about more about the horse. The horse is brown. Here in this picture, you can see the picture of a basketball. Okay, so it is fun to play basketball. So it is a sentence. Now let's see what is a sentence. A sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. Okay, a sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. Okay, a sentence is a group of words, nothing but they are a group of words that should make complete sense. Okay. Now, but whilst writing a sentence, we need to follow certain rules. Okay? Yes.
Capital letter.
Yes. Yes. While writing a sentence, my dear children, we have to follow certain rules. Let us see that. What's the first rule we need to follow while writing a sentence? A sentence? Yes, my dear? Can you see the board, my dear, all of you? Yes, okay. A sentence always starts with a capital letter. Okay, and ends with a full stop. Okay, that is the foremost point we have to learn in a sentence, and it is quite easy too. Is that clear to all of you? Is that clear to all of you? This is the first and the foremost thing we need to know while writing a sentence. A sentence always begins with a capital letter and it ends with a full stop. Clear to all of you. Here is an example for you. The girl is crying. So when we begin a sentence should begin with a capital letter. So here T should be written in capital letter. Is that clear to all of you, my dear children? It should begin with a capital letter. The girl is crying, and there should be an end in the sentence. The sentence should end with a full stop. Is that clear? Okay. Yes, now let's move on to the next example. My brother bakes tasty cakes. Okay, so when here the sentence begins with the word my. So M should be written in capital letter. My brother bakes tasty cakes. And we have to end the sentence with a
Full stop.
full stop. End the sentence with a full stop. Clear to all of you?
Yes. Full stop.
Now let's move on to the next rule says that names, special names of particular person, yes, all things should always begin with a capital letter. Names, that is a particular names of person, place, animal or thing should begin with a capital letter. If you have to write the name of Diya, Diya is a name of a special name of a particular girl. So D should be written in capital letter, Diya. Have you understood? I have to write the name of a place, Mala. So M should be written in capital letter, Mala. Okay. Similarly, Thrissur, T should be written in capital letter. Kerala is a name of a place. So K should be written in capital letter. Is that clear to all of you, my dear children? And similarly, Mumbai, M should be written in capital letter. So whenever you write the names of places and names of person, remember you have to use capital letters when you write the special names of person and places. Is that clear to all of you? And even the names, special names of animals and things. Special names of animals, we do mean by, if you have a pet dog at home, my dear children, you would have named the pet Blackie, Fluffy, or Jockey, or whatever it is. So that name, that is a special name given to that animal, that is a pet animal. And even a thing is a car, maybe a car, the name of the car is Honda City. So Honda City is the name of the car. Okay, and if it is a book, Oliver Twist. Oliver Twist is the name of the book. Or if it's a newspaper, the name of the newspaper may be Malayalam Manorama, or it can be the Indian Express or Hindu, whatever it is. That is the name of a thing. Okay, so that name should be written in capital letter. I hope you have understood. Okay, but for the examination, we are insisting only on the names of people and names of places. Okay, so I hope it's understood. These are the rules you have to keep in mind while doing this exercise. Okay, so let's move on to I kindly request you all to be ready with your rough book. All of you, please do take your rough book, my dear children. Here we are going to write a test paper, a written examination. I'll tell you how to write, then I'll mute you all. Okay, I'll mute you all. Now listen. So here is a questions for you for the examination. But while writing your answers, my dear children, please kindly don't write the full sentence. You write, imagine this is your answer script. Okay, you write question number 1, write only the answer. Here the question says that, tick the ones that are sentences and cross out that are not. Okay, so here the sentence says that if it is a sentence, put 1 and put a tick mark. 2, if it is a sentence, put a tick mark, otherwise cross it out. That is what the question says. So tick the ones that are sentences and cross out that are not. That is what you're supposed to do it in the answer sheet too. Okay, and this third question, read the question and they. Imagine that if it's a sentence or not, you have to put a tick mark according to your concept, what you have learned. Okay, your time starts now. Now, I hope you all have understood. Have all of you understood how to do the test paper? Are all of you ready, my dear children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, are all of you
Yes,
ready? Please do take your rough book. I'll give you 1 minute time. Yes, your time starts now. Here is a question paper for you. Now do it. Read the question and you write the answers. Okay. I'm going to mute you all for a minute. Later on, I'll unmute you. Yes. Can you see the board? Yes, my dear. Yes. Have all of you finished? Only write the answers. I've told you how to write the answers. Yes, yes. If you have finished, yes, let us, yes.
I'm finished.
Yes, okay. Okay. Can we do it? If you're ready, I'm going to do it. Are all of you ready, my dear children? Are you all ready? Yes, are you all ready?
Yes.
Yes?
Ma'am.
Yes, okay. So can we do it? Yes, okay. Now, here, yes, come on, tell me.
Diksha Deepak join it now.
Who?
Diksha Deepak.
Okay, Daksha Deepak, you carry on writing. Okay, you see how it has to be written. Okay. Now, listen. There are many books in the library. Is it a is it a sentence? Yes or no? Yes, it is a sentence. So what we have to do? We have to put a tick mark. If your answer is right, put a tick mark against it. Okay, that is what you're supposed to do it. All of you mute your audios, my dear children. Ben has a pet dog. Okay, Ben has a pet dog. It is a sentence. So what we have to do? Put a tick. Yes. If your answer is right, put a tick mark against it. Okay. And they. Is it a sentence, my dear?
No.
We have to put a cross mark. Okay. So if your answer is right, put a tick mark. Jane is my best friend. Is it a sentence?
Yes.
So if your answer is right, put a tick mark against it. Okay. I have a pen. So yes, it is a sentence. So put a tick mark. Okay. Blue pen, blue, black, right. Is it a sentence?
No.
No, it is not a sentence. So we have to put we have to put a cross mark. This is my book. Is it a sentence?
Yes.
Yes. Then we have to put a tick mark against. If your answer is right, put a tick mark against it. Now the last question is a apple sweet big. Is it a sentence? No. We have to do so. If your answer is 8 out of 8, what we have to do? You self-assess your work, put 8 out of 8, and we will let me see your marks. All of you finished? Are you still writing? Are you still doing it? Yes, do it. Okay. Come on, let me see your marks.
Ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Wrong.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, my dear. Yes, I could see your work, Samanvia. Yes,
Abel
yes.
Sajid got 8 out of 8.
Yes, very good.
Thank you, ma'am. Got 8 out of 8.
8. What about the others? Yes, I could see all your work. Priya, Prithvi, Samanvia. Yes, 8 out of 8. Anya Regal. Anya Regal. Yes. Ashil, Devnanda, Arav. Yes, very good.
8 out of
Yes, Ishan, Devash, Sahasra, Ansel. Yes. Now let's move on to the next. Yes, I could see all your work, my dear. Very good. Afran, Suresh, Ryan, Andrea. Yes, very good. Yes, Rose, I've seen your work. Now let's move on to the next paper. Are all of you ready? Yes, are you all ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Here is a question. You will be getting questions like this too for the examination. Okay. Rewrite the following sentences using capital letters or full stop wherever necessary. Okay. Yes. You have to rewrite the following sentences using capital letters or a full stop wherever necessary. So here we are going to do only 1 and 2. Okay. So we have time only to do question number 1 and 2. So your time starts now. You have to rewrite the sentences using capital letters or full stop. I hope you have understood. Yes, you have to rewrite means you have to write the whole question with using capital letters and full stop. Okay, can we do it? Your time starts now. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Rough book, rough book. All of you, please do it in your rough book. Okay. So, yes. Yes, do it. All of you turn on your videos, my dear. Just carry on writing. So let me see how is that you're going to write the exams. So when the question rewrite is given, then you have to write the complete sentence. Only then we can use capital letters and full stop, unless we write the full complete sentence. Okay, when the question on the question paper tells us rewrite, means we have to rewrite the whole sentence. Remember, okay, children? Yes, your times. I hope all must have finished. Yes, have all of you finished? Yes, my dear, have all of you finished? No. Okay, okay, carry on writing, Yes, carry on writing. Please don't talk. So have all of you finished, my dear children? Okay then. So let's answer. I hope all of you are ready. We are going to answer. Okay. So let me see. How is that we are going to answer it?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, my dear.
I finished till 4th question.
No, I've asked you only to do 1 and 2. Okay. I've asked you only to do 1 and 2. If you've done 3 and 4, it's okay. Okay. Now let's do it. Okay. So when your question is to rewrite the following sentences using capital letters or a full stop wherever necessary. So here is a question for you. We are going to the market. Okay, so whenever we rewrite the sentence, we already know it. We have to use capital letters and full stop. So the first letter should be written in yes, W should be written in capital letter. Begin the sentence with a capital letter. So we are going to the market. Okay, we are going to the market. And at the end of the sentence, what we should do? Full stop. If your answer is right, is very good. If your answer is right, put a tick mark against it. Okay. Now let's do the second question. I've asked you to do 1 and 2 only. Okay. Now, I like chocolates. So what we have to do here? Yes, it should be written in capital letter. Okay.
Chocolate.
So at the end of the sentence, what we should do? Stop. Okay. Then if your answer is right, put a tick mark. Okay, we are going to do only 1 and 2, 3 and 4. We will do it later. You already know it, how to do this. Okay, begin with a capital letter, end with a full stop, and even the name of a person, Rohit plays cricket. Okay, only 1 and 2. So if your answer is right, put 2 out of 2.
2 out of 2. 4. Ma'am, I do 4 questions.
4 questions. Then we have to begin the sentence with a capital letter. The dog is a faithful animal. Is a faithful animal. Okay, and at the end of the sentence, what we have to do? Full stop. Here in the 4th sentence, what we have to do? R should be written in capital letter. Rohit plays cricket. Rohit plays cricket. And at the end of the sentence, what we should do?
Stop.
If your answers are right, put a tick mark. If those who have finished with only 2 answers, then you write 2 out of 2. If you have completed with 4 answers, then you write 4 by 4. Okay, however it is. I've asked you to do only 2 questions. If you have finished, now let's move on to MCQ. If you have finished with 2 questions is okay, you put your marks out of 2. If you have completed with 4 questions, then you put your marks out of 4 out of 4. So this is the way you do it.
Yeah, 4 questions.
Yes, if you have finished with 4 questions, then you put 4 marks. Now we are moving on to an MCQ. Have all of you finished? Do you want me to share the screen? Yes, have all of you finished, my dear children?
Mommy, I'm not finished.
Okay, okay, carry on. Finished, all of you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Now let's move on to an MCQ if all have finished.
Yes, ma'am.
Can we move on to an MCQ exam?
Yes.
That is very, very important. The link will also be sent in the class group. Okay, after this session. I'll be sending the link to you.
I might get 4 out of 4.
Okay. So, all of you, please do show your marks, my dear children. Let me see you all. Have all of you finished? Let me see you all work. Let me see how is that you have written your answers. Yes, very good. Yes, yes. So I hope all have understood how to write the answers in the answer script. Okay. Okay, so this is how you have to write the answers in the answer script. Then while you're writing the answers, children, yes, okay, very good. If you're writing, children, please do write your name and your class and session very legibly in bold letters, in big. Okay, please do it. So that when I read your answers, first of all, I wanted to know your name and your class. Okay then. So let's now move on to, all of you, please do check your chat box. I'm going to send the link in the chat box. Okay, I'll be sending it in the WhatsApp group too. Are all of you ready? Yes, I've sent the link. Please do check. If you have received it, give me a thumbs up. Or on hand. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Very good. Give me a thumbs up, my dear children, if you have received it, so that I can make sure that you have received it. Yes, you can start writing. So here is the questions for you. It will be sent in the group even, my dear children. Okay, so here is a question paper. Write your name, click on to the class and identify the correct sentence. That is the first question. Field left the field. This pen belongs to Mahima. Click on to the answer, which is a sentence. Okay. Identify the correct sentence. In the garden, I went to the garden. To garden, the went I. Okay. So click on to the right answer. Use the correct punctuation at the end of the sentence. Okay. So read the sentence. The clock is on the wall. You have to use the correct punctuation. Please do mute your audios. All of you, please do mute your audios. Otherwise, I could hear you saying the answers. All of you, please do mute your audios, my dear. Let me check. Otherwise, I have to mute you all. Yes, now listen. So you have to use the correct punctuation mark at the end of the sentence. Click on to the right answer. Fourth question is identify the correct sentence. The same sentence is written in 3 different ways. She is my sister, she's my sister, she's my sister. But only one is right. Please do click on to the right answer. Identify the correct sentence. Calcutta is a big city, Calcutta is a big city, Calcutta is a big city. Please do check whichever is right, just click on to it. Identify the correct sentence. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall, Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall, and Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Please do check which is the right answer. Okay, so start sending your responses.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you share the link again?
Yes, I'll do it. I'll do it. I'll do it.
Ma'am, can you read the 5th question?
Yes, I'll do it.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Mr. That's completed.
Yes, my dear.
Mr. That's completed.
Okay, if you have completed, it's okay. I'll be sending the link again as per your request. Yes.
Ma'am, can you read the 5th question?
Yes, I'll do it. I'll do it.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
The link has already been sent. I'll read the questions for you.
Ma'am, I
Yes,
got
my dear.
5 out of 6. I got 6 out of 6.
Okay, very good.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, my dear.
I got 5 out of 6.
It's okay. But see that when you go on, all the answers are quite okay. All of the answers are very easy. Okay, you told me to read the 5th question for me. Okay, identify the correct sentence. Calcutta is a big city. Calcutta is a big city. Calcutta is a big city. It is written in 3 different ways, I've told you. We have to follow the rules while writing a sentence. See that all the rules are followed there. Okay, that's all.
Ma'am,
Yes, my dear.
last question.
Last question you want me to read for you? The last question is identify the correct sentence. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. On the wall. Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall only. But see that whether the capital letters are used, full stop is there, and the sentence is written in the proper order. Okay, all these you have to check.
Ma'am, can you read from first question?
First question you want me to read for you? First question is,
The car.
yes, the first question is field. You have to identify the correct sentence. Left the field. This pen belongs to Mahima. Whichever is the correct sentence here, click onto it. Okay.
Maybe got 6 out of 6.
Okay. I hope it's clear to all of you. Yes, any more questions? I will clear your doubts. I hope you have understood how to answer the questions, how to do the written examination, as well as the examination that is MCQ to be conducted in the Google form. Okay, so this is a way to do it, children. Please do revise well. I'll be sending the revision paper also, and the link will also.
6 out of 6.
Yes, very good. So the link will also be sent in the group. So it's time for us to wind up, my dear children. Can we wind up? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Have all of you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Grammar, children, a kind request that should be learned. The concept should be made clear. Okay. Whenever you do the revision, only the concept. As far as the punctuation marks are concerned, that is worksheet 3, only the 3 things you have to make it clear. First is begin a sentence with a capital letter, end with a full stop, names of places, names of people, names of animals, and names of things should also begin with a capital letter. So these are the 3 concepts you have to make it clear while revising the chapter worksheet 3 punctuation. Is that clear to all of you? Clear to all of you? Yes? So that is the way you have to revise for the examination. Okay. So it's time for us to wind up. Can we do it? Bye, children. Bye, children. Carry on writing.
Bye,
Okay.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.